Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some new Madam Glam Gel Polishes. I got a bunch of colors here to show you. I'm really excited. These are perfect colors for fall. Starting off with Wicked Witch. This is a beautiful green, like an evergreen green. Next, I'm going in with XOXO. This is a beautiful nude color. You can never have too many nudes in your collections. There's always different variations of browns and tans that you can use. This one definitely needs 2 coats. Now I'm going in with Virgo. I love this color. It's like a blue, gray, green color almost. Really pretty. Next, I'm going in with Who Is She? This is a pink, sparkly red color. Definitely good for fall, summer, spring vibes. Really pretty color. Next we have Barista. Love this color. It's like a dark brown burgundy almost. Love this color. Next I have Caffeinated. This is a jelly brown yellow color. Perfect for the tortoiseshell that we're going to be trying out a little bit later on. Next we have Grand Canyon. I like this color because I feel like it's a good transition from like fall to Christmas colors. It's like a red, blue. It's like a blue red. Then you have a no wipe top coat and a base coat. This is how they're looking all with a matte top coat. My lighting is reflecting off of this background a little harshly. I apologize for that. I really tried to work out the lighting here. Sometimes backgrounds like this work and sometimes they don't. I'm going in with my full cover coffin tips from Savvyland. We're going to be using these as my dual forms. Taking some of that poly gel, placing it in the full cover tip, using some rubbing alcohol, just patting that into place. I'm going to place that on my index finger. Above my cuticle, make sure it's flattened out underneath so it's not overlapping my natural nail at all. Just kind of straightening it out. And then once you cure it, you should just be able to pop it right off. I'm going to repeat that process for the rest of my nails. Moving on to the middle finger, doing the same thing, just placing the poly gel into the full cover tip, patting that into place with some rubbing alcohol. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to place it on my nail, straighten it out the best I can. You want to be careful not to have too much spillage down by the cuticle area. If it overlaps the tip at all, it does make it a little harder to remove, so keep that in mind. You want to try to make that part as flat as possible. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to cure it. And now we can just pop these off. I'm going to take my hand file and I'm just going to file the shape. I'm going to go for more of like a rounded oval almond shape, if you will. Taking my sanding band, I'm going to file around the cuticle area to make that more flush. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to take some base coat and I'm just going to apply that over the nail. Cure that in the lamp for about 45 seconds. I'm going to go in with a layer of Builder Light Beige. This is also from Madam Glam. This is a builder gel. Put a slip layer down and then I'm going to work another bead and place that right in the center and flow it down towards the tip. Using a small liner brush, I'm just going to take that around the sides and around the cuticle area. Make that nice and flush. Give us a really nice apex. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to take my e-file again and I'm just going to move that from left to right, really smoothing out that surface, getting it all ready for polish. Here's how we're looking. Loving it. Going to go ahead and do the rest of my nails off camera. Here we are, all filed, shaped, and buffed, ready to go. Going to clean that off with some rubbing alcohol. I'm really late to this trend, but we're going to do some tortoiseshell nails. So I'm going to go in with that color Caffeinated. This is the absolute perfect color for this nail design. So I'm going to place a thin layer. Then I'm going to go in with a thin liner brush and just really work that around the cuticle. Now I'm going to go in with that color Barista and I'm just creating little splotches of this color throughout the design. I have not cured the caffeinated color. The first layer is still there. We're just letting this kind of separate, expand. You can do this with blooming gel as well, but if you don't cure the gel, it should work the same. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to cure that in the light. Now I'm going to go on with the second layer of caffeinated. Not curing still. I'm going to take my liner brush and I'm going to go on with a little bit of black and just kind of outline the dark brown color that we put in there. Barista, we're going to take that black and just kind of go around that color. Let that expand, bloom, if you will. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to cure that in the light for 60 seconds. I think that looks pretty good, so I'm going to cure that in the light. Now I'm going to go in with that color XOXO, and I'm going to place this on my ring finger, my index finger, or excuse me, my ring finger and my middle finger. I also placed it on my thumb, but it was kind of like an afterthought later. I wasn't sure what I was going to do on that one. But I'm taking Wicked Witch with my thin liner brush, and I'm just going to create like a triangle design all the way down the nail. I thought this looked really cute. Going in on my middle finger now, I'm going to do like a half design. So I'm going to take that same caffeinated color and we're only going to do half the nail, doing the tortoise shell design on half. And then we're going to do like a French design on the other half. But again, I'm going in with caffeinated, not curing. I'm now going in with barista and just making splotches all over the nail, letting that expand a bit. Then I cure it. Go in with another layer of caffeinated. Then I go in and layer with black around parts of barista. Then I cure that, and that'll get you your beautiful tortoiseshell design. Going back in with Wicked Witch, we're going to use this as our half nail French design. This color is so pretty. I absolutely love this for fall. I thought these colors just blended beautifully together. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do with the pinky, but I decided to go on with Wicked Witch and just make it all one color. This is only a one coat, and really that's all it needed. I felt like this design needed a little bit more, so I'm taking SuperNova Love. I don't think I've had a chance to use this color yet, but it's so pretty. It's like a rose gold color. So I'm taking that, I'm placing it right down the center, and then I decided to add the same triangle design on the inside of the green design. I thought it was so cute and just made it pop. It was like the perfect color choice. Then I'm going in with Barista, and I'm taking that color on my thumb, and we're going to do a French nail design with that color on my thumb. Once I'm happy with that, I cure it in the light for 60 seconds, and then I go in with the Madam Glam No Wipe Top Coat and top coat everything off, cure it again for 60 seconds. This here is the finished design. I really love the way that these came out. I can't believe it took me so long to get on the torty trend, but I'm happy I tried it out. Love the way that they look in the sunlight. Absolutely beautiful. I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I have a fun series coming for the holidays, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!